Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to solve the exercise question of Unit 1, Chapter number 11. Here's the first term syllabus in which we have to solve and studied about unit. We have to solve exercise questions and study about Unit 11.1 triangles. Here's the name of our chapter, chapter number 11, triangles, quadrilaterals, and polygons. So exercise question of 11A, question number 1. In this question, we have given two values of, we have given angles, two angles in which angle A and angle B are to be known. First of all, sketch triangle ABC, then find its third angle, that is angle C. When angle C have to be found, then classify triangle with respect to its sides, also with respect to its angles. And in the end, you have to write answers like this way, like example, equilateral triangle and acute angle triangle. Now let's see now let's see towards solution. Given angles in which angle A equals to 20 degree and angle B equals to 60 degree. The second requirement of question is that to sketch triangle ABC. So now I'm going to sketch triangle ABC. Okay, it's our triangle in which three angles have to be found, that is angle A, which is given 20 degree, then have angle B, whose size is also given, that is 60 degree. Then we have third angle, that is angle C, and its value is unknown. So we have to sketch this triangle ABC and fulfill the second requirement of this question. Now move backward from our slides. Okay, then now I am going to solve my question with the help of this property, that the data of my question include angle A equals to 20 degree, angle B equals to 60 degree, and angle C value is unknown. Also, type of triangle according to its sides and angle are unknown. Now solve our exercise question with the help of applying this property, that is the property of triangle, which says that the sum of interior angle of triangle equals to 180 degree. And we have three interior angle of this triangle, that is angle A, angle B, and angle C. So we have to do its sum according to the property of triangle, which says that sum of interior angle of triangle equals to 180 degree. So we have to sum up all these interior angle of triangle, that is angle A, angle B equal and angle C, and the sum of these three interior angle of triangle equals to 180 degree. It is the property of triangle. Now put it down the values of angle A and angle B, in which angle A equals to 20 degree and angle B equals to and angle B equals to 60 degree. We have to find out the value of angle C, whose value is unknown. When we sum up these two values 60 and 20, got the answer 80 degree. Then move forward this 80 degree from left hand side to the right hand side, then the signs change and 80 got subtracted from 180 and we have got the answer of 100 degree. We have to find our third angle, that is angle C, whose value is equals to 100 degree. And you know that the angle who is greater than 90 degree, or right angle, then that type of angle is known as obtuse angle. So angle C is an obtuse angle because it is greater than 90 degree or right angle. Since all angles are different, so it is a scalene triangle because all angles are different. Angle A equals to 20 degree, angle B equals to 60 degree, and angle C equals to 100 degree. So all angles are different, and it is the property of the scalene triangle that if all angles are different, so the type of triangle with respect to its sides is a scalene triangle. And a one angle is greater than 90 degree or right angle, that is angle C, which is greater than 90 degree or right angle. So this angle C forms an obtuse angle, and due to this obtuse angle, we have to say that the type of triangle with respect to its angle is obtuse angle triangle. So write the answer like this way. First of all, mention the unknown angle, that is angle C. Mention the value of unknown angle, that is angle that you have found, that angle C equals to 100 degree, and the type of triangle with respect to its sides is scalene triangle, and the type of triangle with respect to its angle is obtuse angle triangle. Okay, now we have solved this question. It's your home task that to solve its related parts and practice questions that are mentioned in a book. Thank you.